Hey guys, so this is Accusure Fetal Doppler. So it's FD-01, the model number. There is a power button on the top. There is two volume button. This is how it looks as a speaker. This is basically used for detecting the fetal heart rate during pregnancy. You'll have to place it on the stomach, close to the uterus, and to detect the fetal heart rate. You need to use some gel as well to detect it properly. So this is my heart rate. So this is how it sounds. The sound is all distorted. It's not very clear, and sometimes when using for fetal doppler it will create a lot of confusion, so I would not recommend you all to buy this. Rather than using this, it's better to visit the doctor. And the product which I ordered is this one from pharmacy. I paid around 1950, and it's mentioned as USB charging. It also has a headphone jack which I don't see. So because of all this reason, I'm planning to return this as well, so be careful. And if you see, the model buttons are different than this. There's no button on the front, it's on the sides. So yeah, that's about it. Let me know what's your